How to prepare for retirement, a complete step-by-step guide. Have you ever stopped to ask yourself what life would really look like when you finally stop working? Picture this. One morning you wake up, and there's no office to rush to, no boss waiting for you, no paycheck at the end of the month. Just you, your time, and whatever savings you've managed to put aside. Would you feel relaxed, free, and proud of yourself? Or would you feel anxious, wondering how long your money can last? That's a question most people don't think about until it's too late. We spend years working hard, raising families, paying bills, chasing promotions, but we often forget to prepare for that one stage of life when everything slows down. Retirement. The funny thing is, everyone dreams about it, but very few people actually prepare for it. Most think it will somehow work itself out. But the truth is, retirement doesn't just happen because you turn 60 or 65. Retirement has to be planned, built, and shaped long before you get there. Before we begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment yes. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make another better video for you this week. Now, let's get started. The real secret to a peaceful retirement isn't luck or inheritance, it's preparation. And the earlier you start, the more confident, secure, and happy you'll feel when the time finally comes. The good news: it's never too early and never too late to start. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or even 60s, you can begin today. So let's talk about what real retirement preparation looks like. Imagine your future. How do you want your retirement years to be? Do you see yourself living quietly in a cozy home, tending to your garden, or perhaps traveling to new places? Maybe you want to spend more time with your grandchildren or finally start that small business you've always dreamed about. You see, retirement isn't about stopping life, it's about starting a new chapter, one where you choose how to spend your time. The first thing you need to do is picture it clearly. Don't think in vague ideas like, "I just want to rest." Be specific. Ask yourself, what does a happy day in my retirement look like? What will I do when I wake up? Who will I spend time with? The clearer your vision, the easier it becomes to prepare financially and emotionally. Because if you don't know what you're preparing for, you might end up building a retirement that doesn't truly satisfy you. Once you have a picture of your dream retirement, the next step is to understand how much money you'll need to make it happen. Many people ignore this part because they're scared of numbers, but it's not as complicated as it seems. You just need to estimate your future monthly expenses, things like food, utilities, transportation, healthcare, and personal spending. Some experts say you'll need around 80% of your current income to maintain your lifestyle. So, if you earn $3,000 a month now, plan for about $2,400 per month during retirement. But everyone's dream is different. If you want to travel often or live in an expensive city, you might need more. If you prefer a quiet, simple life, you might need less. The important thing is to be realistic. Don't plan based on fantasy, plan based on facts. You can even use free online retirement calculators. They'll help you estimate how much you should save every month to reach your goal. Now, saving is the backbone of your preparation. No matter how old you are, start saving. Even if you can only save a small amount, it's better than nothing. What matters most is consistency. The earlier you start, the better, because of something called compound interest. That's when your money earns interest, and that interest earns even more interest over time. It's like planting a seed. If you plant early, the tree has time to grow strong and give fruit. But if you wait too long, you'll have a small tree that barely grows. If your workplace offers a retirement plan, like a pension or 401k, take advantage of it, especially if your employer matches your contributions. That's free money helping you grow your future. And if you're self-employed or your job doesn't offer one, open a private retirement account or investment plan. The key is to make saving automatic. Set up a direct transfer every month from your income to your savings so you never forget or get tempted to skip. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. But saving alone isn't enough. You also need to make your money work for you through investments. Inflation keeps increasing the cost of living, so if you keep your savings in one place without growth, its value drops over time. That's where smart investing comes in. You don't need to be an expert or take crazy risks. You just need to invest in things that grow steadily, like mutual funds, index funds, government bonds, or dividend-paying stocks. Real estate can also be a smart option if it's managed well. It gives you both security and potential rental income. The main rule is simple: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments so that if one area performs poorly, another can cover it. And please, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises you unbelievable returns, that's usually a red flag. You've worked too hard to risk your future on unrealistic promises. Now, let's talk about something that silently kills many retirement plans: debt. Debt during retirement can turn your golden years into years of worry. Imagine having to pay loans or credit card bills when your income has stopped. That's why it's so important to start clearing debts before retirement. Focus on high-interest ones first. Create a plan, pay consistently, and avoid borrowing for unnecessary expenses. Living debt-free gives you incredible peace of mind. You'll sleep better knowing that every dollar you have is yours to enjoy. And if you must borrow, do it for investments that bring returns, not for things that lose value the moment you buy them. Next comes healthcare, one of the biggest expenses many retirees face. As we get older, our bodies need more attention, and medical costs can rise sharply. So, include healthcare in your retirement plan. Research health insurance options for seniors or private plans that can cover future needs. It's also wise to keep a small emergency fund just for medical expenses. At the same time, take care of your health now. Eat well, exercise, and go for regular checkups. The healthier you are, the less money you'll spend on treatment later. Remember, no amount of money can replace good health. Another smart step is to create multiple income streams. Relying on just your pension or savings can be risky. Start building other ways to earn now, even if they're small. Maybe you can invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, or an online business. Or turn your skills into something profitable after retirement, like teaching, writing, or consulting part-time. These small incomes can add up and give you financial security. Your location also plays a big role in how much your retirement costs. Some people want to stay close to family, while others move to smaller towns where life is cheaper. Think carefully about where you want to live. Visit those places. Consider safety, healthcare, and lifestyle. Sometimes, downsizing from a big house to a smaller one not only saves money but also makes life easier to manage. Your home should bring you comfort, not stress. But retirement isn't only about money and houses, it's also about emotions. Many people don't realize how hard it can be to adjust mentally after leaving work. When you've spent years being busy, suddenly having too much free time can feel strange. That's why emotional preparation is just as important as financial planning. Before you retire, start developing new hobbies. Volunteer somewhere, join a club, or learn something new. Stay connected to people. Loneliness can be dangerous, especially after retirement. Your happiness will come not just from what you have, but from who you share your time with. A fulfilling retirement isn't sitting alone watching TV. It's staying active, useful, and happy doing things that bring joy. It's also important to check your retirement plan regularly. Life changes, your job, health, or family situation might shift, so your plan should too. Review it every year. Check your savings, update your goals, and make adjustments. Think of your plan like a car. It needs maintenance to keep running smoothly. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. Once you've built your plan, protect it. You don't want your years of savings to disappear because of bad luck, poor management, or family confusion. That's why you should have proper insurance and a will. If you have dependents, make sure you have life insurance to protect them. Write a clear will that explains how you want your assets handled. If you own property or a business, get professional advice to ensure everything is legally sound. Doing this doesn't mean you're thinking about death. It means you're thinking about peace for your loved ones. Another part people overlook is time management. Many retirees struggle not because they lack money, but because they don't know how to fill their days. After years of a strict routine, free time can actually feel empty. So plan how you'll spend your time. Maybe you'll garden, travel, join a reading club, or help in your community. The key is to keep growing, even after you stop working. When you prepare properly, retirement becomes a beautiful phase of life, a time of freedom, reflection, and fulfillment. You get to wake up without stress, spend time with loved ones, and live life on your own terms. Now, here's something people often forget. Retirement is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new one. A chapter where you live for yourself, not your job. But that chapter can only be peaceful if you've built it carefully. Don't wait until the last minute to prepare. Start now, no matter where you are in life. If you're young, start saving early and let time work for you. If you're older, adjust your lifestyle, cut debts, and strengthen your savings. Every small effort matters. Retirement preparation isn't just about being rich, it's about being ready. You don't need millions to live well. You just need discipline, planning, and a vision for the kind of life you want. And remember, peace of mind in retirement doesn't come from luck, it comes from action. Start today. Review your finances. Set your goals. Make saving automatic. Invest wisely. Pay off your debts. Take care of your health. Strengthen your relationships. Build your future, one step at a time. Because one day, that future will arrive. And when it does, you want to smile, not worry. You want to look back and say, I prepared for this moment. I earned this peace. So ask yourself right now, if you had to retire next year, would you be ready? If not, what can you do today to move one step closer? The best time to start preparing for retirement was yesterday. But the second best time is right now. Start where you are, use what you have, and plan for the life you deserve. Because retirement isn't the end of work, it's the reward for all your years of effort. Make sure that reward is worth it. And when that day comes, may you look at your life with gratitude, not regret. Because you didn't just hope for a better future, you prepared for it. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Expect our next video this week. Take care of yourself, you're more resilient than you know. Thanks for watching.